little bit.
A little bit. We were all sitting at one side. I was like, somebody sit over there because we're going like this.
Oh, they affected. Oh my god, this one doesn't have the filter. The black filter.
Oh, yeah, you know.
You don't have it on.
So that I can take a video. Go ahead, girl.
Ladies, gentlemen, and islanders of all ages, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
Here's beautiful. That's a beautiful look. Give me a picture. I got you. Oh. Is that a piece they don't use? Why don't you? They have tracks or something. Oh, the cars are so perfect. You know, low and everything. But it is for real. They do. They would come through.
In just a few minutes, we will be arriving at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Whether you plan to visit a galactic outpost or play with all of Andy's toys, at Disney's Hollywood Studios, everyone can become the stars of their favorite cinematic stories.
The car is so perfect. Okay, where did we park?
You really trying to see what
Was it 307, 309, or 209?
Jesse should really Jesse.
Is it 209?
Before you walk the red carpet, remember to double-check your FastPass Plus selections using your My Disney Experience mobile app. You can also view your star-studded itinerary at a FastPass Plus kiosk when we arrive.
Oh no, we passed it. Patricia, my shit is this one left, we don't know this sunset. Look, it comes out. Stop. Maybe handicapped persons get out.
No audio in this one.
Yeah.
Where's the music from?
Somebody else's.
Oh, down there.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated. We will resume your flight as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience.
What's up with you? The what?
Your car. We're on this side. Back here. Yeah, we're over there.
Over there somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. I can see it. See it? Okay.
Yep.
The eyeballs.
No, I didn't put those up.
I did.
Oh. I don't think you did.
Colin, do they have key size that?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, Thank you for your patience. We are now resuming your journey and will take flight momentarily. Thank you.
이폰 어슬라.
Oh,
Listen.
Ladies, gentlemen, and members of the Academy, welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
hindi ba saan sila nakasyon na may?
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias.